You know, the Mitti Cool refrigerator. This is what it is. You can see the Mitti Cool refrigerator that they have made. And these are the earthen products for daily use in kitchen. That is, what is interesting is the pressure cooker, non-stick clay tawa, as you can see it. And Mansukh Bhai was selected by Forbes Magazine as one of India's most powerful rural entrepreneurs in its coverage. So I have the great man himself, and he has been selected by Forbes Magazine as one of India's most powerful rural entrepreneurs in its coverage of international innovations. So congratulations for your venture. God bless.